It's a detached garage. We have a flat driveway. It's off the Strand, which is somewhat of an access point, so it's not going to be the most private street, but it's set back. Okay, we have this entry and the front door. This is the great room. Gas stove. Loft up above. There's some wood floors. They look like bamboo flooring. Stainless appliances. Granite countertops. Okay, these are the 2 bedrooms. And then this is the bathroom. So they have some newer flooring in here. It's like a vinyl flooring, laminate flooring, newer light fixtures, and sinks. Like upstairs. Alright, so here's this loft area up above. Definitely be an extra sleeping room or an office. And it's open to the living area. Okay, it's a 2-car garage, pretty standard height. And in the back there is some additional space. There's a little bit of a counter back there too.